Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. Today we are going to begin with the unit 11 in your practice book, getting ready for class 9th. Since our syllabus of practice book is complete, so this is the unit getting ready for class 9th. 9th class के लिए अगर आपको ready होना है तो आपको कौन कौन सी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, तो ये वही टॉपिक्स हैं जो हम ऑलरेडी अपने क्लासेस में कवर कर चुके हैं. पैसिव्स, एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइस. लेट अस डू दिस एक्सरसाइज. देयर आर 2 sentences in each part. Fill in the blanks in the second sentence so that it may mean the same as the first one. The first one has been done as an example. 2 sentences are given और second में आपके blanks हैं, तो उन blanks को आपने fill करना है passive voice के according. First one is an example. Rupa is publishing a biography of Mary Kom. रूपा डूअर है, डूअर ऑफ द एक्शन सब्जेक्ट है. इज पब्लिशिंग आपकी वर्ब, हेल्पिंग वर्ब और वर्ब है, और क्या पब्लिश कर रही है? अ बायोग्राफी ऑफ मैरी कॉम, ये आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है. अ बायोग्राफी ऑफ मैरी कॉम इज फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी है, तो इज मैरी बायोग्राफी के अकॉर्डिंग इज लगेगा. आईएनजी इंग वालों में बिंग लगाते हैं, तो बीइंग पब्लिश्ड बाय रूपा. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, someone has forgotten these boxes. These boxes has have था ना, और थर्ड फॉर्म तो these boxes have been, थर्ड फॉर्म forgotten by, forgotten है तो someone जैसा अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट आता है तो by someone लिखने की हमें जरूरत नहीं होती. forgotten भी आपका गिवन है तो हमें सिर्फ ये लिखना है have been. These boxes have been forgotten. Okay, by someone, by anyone, ये चीजें हमें लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. See the next one. The government has issued a warning against the spread of gastroenteritis. The government has issued. गवर्नमेंट ने इशू कर दिया है एक वार्निंग अगेंस्ट द स्प्रेड ऑफ गैस्ट्रोएंटेराइटिस. तो यहां पे आप a warning against gastroenteritis, वार्निंग है आपका सब्जेक्ट, तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग हैज ही लगेगा. हैज बीन आगे गिवन है आपका इशूड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज ऑल आई कैन रिमेंबर इज दैट My son woke us up. All I can remember is that, यहां तक आप सेम लिखोगे. All I can remember is that my son woke us up. इसको आपने चेंज करना है us को we में. That we, woke आपकी सेकेंड फॉर्म है तो we were. woke की थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होती है? wake, woke, woken. ठीक है, तो we were woken up, ये गिवन है आपका woken up, तो हमें लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, वर आएगा सिर्फ यहाँ पे. we were woken up by my son. ओके, सिर्फ वर यहाँ पे ब्लैंक आएगा, woken up गिवन है. he brought a torch in order to enable us to see in the dark. a torch, he brought a torch. a torch was brought by him in order to enable us to see in the dark. Next one. They should have given us this information ages ago. This information should have been given to us ages ago. Okay? By them भी लिखने की इसमें जरूरत नहीं है. Next one. The windows are really dirty. Nobody has cleaned them for weeks. The windows are really dirty. Nobody has cleaned था ना, तो ये them का आ गया. They have आगे आप देखिए, नोबडी, बाय नोबडी नहीं लिखेंगे हम, क्लीन्ड फॉर वीक्स तक आपका है, तो बाय नोबडी नहीं है, तो नेगेटिव सेंस हमने यहीं पे लेके आनी है। दे हैव नॉट बीन, आगे गिवन है क्लीन्ड फॉर वीक्स, किसी ने उन्हें हफ्तों से साफ नहीं किया है, वे हफ्तों से साफ नहीं की गई हैं। दे हैव नॉट बीन क्लीन्ड फॉर वीक्स। नेक्स्ट वन, इफ इट hadn't rained so much, we would have finished the job on time. If it hadn't rained so much, the job would have been finished on time. Come to the next page. I don't like someone telling me what to do. I don't like someone telling me. It means me को आप पहले लेके आओगे. I don't like me told, रुको, I don't like me being told, ing वाला है तो आपका यहाँ पे आएगा being told what to do. I don't like me being told what to do. Okay, someone telling me being told. I don't like me being told what to do. Next one, we can't take the car. The people at the garage are repairing it. We can't take the car. It, देखिए आर रिपेयरिंग है, इट इज बीइंग रिपेयर्ड, गिवन है repaired at the garage. Clear? Next one, read the text given below, then rewrite it by putting the verbs in the bold into the passive and making any other changes that are necessary. Passive voice में convert करना है इस पैरा को. Use by plus doer of the action only where required. हर जगह हमें by वाला, by और जो subject नहीं लिखने की ज़रूरत है, जहाँ required है वहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे. The beginning has been provided. See this. A fire almost completely destroyed the Royal Hotel last night. The Royal Hotel was almost completely destroyed by a fire last night. Next, by the time someone called the fire brigade, the hotel was already blazing. By the time the fire, आप यहाँ पे देखिए, the fire brigade called था तो was called, comma, the hotel was already blazing. Next, ambulances took 15 people suffering from severe burns to hospital. इसको आप कैसे बनाएंगे? 15 people, comma, suffering from severe burns were taken to hospital. आगे by ambulances लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया, वो एम्बुलेंस से ही ले जाते हैं. 15 people suffering from severe burns were taken to hospital. Next, they say that 7 of them are in a critical condition. 7 of them are said to be in a critical condition. 7 of them are said to be, okay, said to be in a critical condition. People think that a discarded cigarette started the fire. It is thought, people think होता है ना, वो उसको हम कहते हैं, it is thought that the fire was started by a discarded cigarette. It is thought that the fire was started by a discarded cigarette. In this way, you will complete this exercise. Come to the next one. Read this newspaper article given below. It is incomplete. Put the verbs in brackets into the correct tense and form. Some of the verbs should be in the passive and some in the active. One has been done as an example. Animals on the roads. More cars and lorries ड्राइव था तो आर बीइंग ड्रिवन ऑन आवर रोड्स एवरी ईयर, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस more and more wild animals are killed by vehicles. Roads often dash the routes that dash by the animals when they are migrating, breeding, or feeding. Roads often are crossed the routes that is taken by the animals when they are migrating, breeding, or feeding. Every spring many thousands of toads kill, यहाँ पे आएगा are killed. Toads are killed as they dash their way to the traditional breeding ponds, as they make their way. All over the world, animals are victims of the road, and their dead remains can often be seen lying on the roadside. Many badgers and hedgehogs dash hit by cars are hit by cars at night as they dash in search of food, as they move around in search of food. Rabbits sometimes seem to hypnotized by the headlights of cars. Seem to be hypnotized by the headlights of cars and dash not able to move quickly out of the way. B का यहाँ पे आएगा are not able. Birds dash sometimes hit too. Birds are sometimes hit too as they dash low over road, as they fly low over roads. One mistake is there. Roads often are crossed नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. Roads often cross the routes. CROSS. Okay. Roads often cross the routes. सड़कें उन रास्तों से पे क्रॉस होती हैं. That is taken. सॉरी यहाँ पे रूट्स है तो दैट आर टेकन. ये मिस्टेक आप ठीक कीजिएगा. दैट आर टेकन. फिर से देखिए. रोड्स ऑफन क्रॉस द रूट्स है ना, तो दैट आर टेकन. ये मिस्टेक आपकी रह गई थी. करेक्ट इट. थैंक यू.